Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on Smart Reply in Gmail on your PC. Smart Reply is a useful feature that suggests quick and relevant responses to your emails, saving you time and effort. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking on the gear icon. Choose See All Settings to access the full settings page. Step 4. Next to Smart Reply, click on Smart Reply On. Scroll through the settings page until you find the Smart Reply section. You will see a toggle switch next to Smart Reply. Click on the switch to turn on Smart Reply. With Smart Reply enabled, Gmail will suggest quick and appropriate responses based on the content of the email you're reading, making it easier and faster to reply. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips to enhance your Gmail experience on your PC. Happy emailing!